When it comes to technology, we are becoming increasingly more and more aware of our own expectations. We expect to be more productive than ever before, whether we are on the go or at home. We expect our technology to match our busy modern lifestyles. Let me ask you a question. How many times have you been asked to expect more from your PC? Well, I think it's about time that we expect more from our PC accessories too. I want to be as productive as I can wherever I am, right? I'm sure that you will feel the same way. We all need accessories designed to match our desire to work hard, play hard, and stay connected. Accessories that complement our PCs, our laptops, our MacBooks, whatever we have, for a better experience wherever we are. And this accessory that I'm about to show you, well, it does just that. One of my favourite Microsoft Human Factors research quotes is, if you want to have an exceptional product, then you have to have an exceptional understanding of the people who will be using the product. And that's exceptionally correct. The Human Factors Research Lab researches into consumer needs to ensure a level of scientific insight that every device has when it is being made. And when looking at the needs of modern professionals, you can see the importance of instant connectivity, faster data transfers, faster internet speeds, accessory charging, and being able to do it all without a million devices or a million cables. Turn your laptop into the ultimate productivity companion with this, the Microsoft USB-C hub. For modern PCs and Surface devices, this small, sleek, singular accessory gives you 5 ways to connect to networks, displays, and more. You can get all the connections wherever you are. Oh, and it doesn't just stop at Windows laptops. This bad boy is compatible with Chrome, Mac, and Android too. So let me take you through exactly what we have here. Okay, so here is our USB Type-C port, perfect for fast data transfer or an input connection for those modern devices that have USB Type-C. This is the OG, this is the USB port we all know, it's our USB 3.1 port. And this is super handy as we all have devices with these connectivity ports. Then we have our Gigabit Ethernet port, which is for a direct connection to your network. You could use this for faster internet speeds when you're working from a hotel, or when you're working from home and you just want that direct connection to your laptop. Next is the HDMI 2.0 port. This is pretty immense as it can give you a video output of up to 4K with a 60 Hz refresh rate, and that is pretty sweet for using on the go. Finally, here is the VGA port, which is perfect for monitor or projector connection. It's pretty neat, huh? Okay, let's take a minute to look at it because, my word, it is so sleek and portable. Pop it in your bag to work on the go or leave it in the top drawer and work from home. Wherever you are, be more productive and stay connected with the USB-C Travel Hub from Microsoft. Boom! Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah, one of the Microsoft evangelists from the UK and Ireland team. And if you are a retail professional and you want to learn a bit more about the USB-C Travel Hub, then hop onto Expert Zone and check out the course. Thank you. And until next time, goodbye.